everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to talk about Screen Off Memo, and Screen Off Memo is a way that you're able to jot down notes, take memos when the screen was off and locked. But once you take out the S Pen, you're able to jot down anything you need. You can pin it to your lock screen and you can save it to your notes that you can edit and view later. So once you take out the S Pen, you're able to go through and change your color. So let's say you wanted it to be yellow, and we're going to go to the store and we need to buy milk, and we also need to buy eggs, and then maybe we need to go with green because we also have to get something that's in a different area of the store, which we need to get diapers. And also too, if you needed to jot down more, so let's say that you had a lot that was going on. If you hit the down arrow, you can just keep on adding more. So this one was basically screen 2. You also got screen 3, and you also have screen 4, and it goes quite a long ways. I'm going to guess 99 pages, but you probably don't need to go past 10. The other cool thing is that you can go through and you can change your thickness, and you can also delete some of the things that you have written. Now let's say that you just want to go through and you just want this to be saved first off. So now this will be saved inside of your Samsung Notes. Let's say we go inside of the device. Inside of Samsung Notes, we open up basically what we just got done writing down. Once you tap on the screen, it's a way you're able to make any type of an edit. So if we go down here, maybe we had something that, you know, we bought that, we got this, but maybe we also needed to add in something else. And so let's say that we also need to get bread. So now we're going to write in bread, and then we can also get this thing saved. Now, as you were going through and you were basically kind of writing something down with that screen off memo, what you're able to do from here is, let's say that the screen was turned off. You pull out the S Pen. This was your note that you needed to view later on. That was super important. You can pin this to your always on display. So once this is pinned to the always on display, it'll show for about 30 seconds. Now it is easier for me to read versus the camera, but these icons right here, if you double press it, it'll get rid of it. If you double press it, it'll bring it right on back. And then if you double press the X, it'll go away. So what'll happen is, let's say that you go to this screen here, it's not going to show. But if you want to view what you need to do later on in the day and you just wanted to see what time it was, here's your always on display. You see the time, but you also see your note of something that you need to do. So I'm going to double press on that X just to get rid of it. Other than that, I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. Subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. If you like this video, more than likely, you're also going to like this video over here. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of